Welcome to a little walkthrough of Gili Eco Villas. We're on the north of the island here. They are doing a little bit of renovation work at the moment. It is low season, so that's completely to be expected, so that's fair enough. You're directly on the beach here. So it's a beachfront accommodation. Definitely the quiet side of the island, this. And it's not a room review, it's just a little walkthrough, just to give you an idea what you can expect to be staying here. So obviously just doing these villas up at the moment, so we'll walk around here and go down this side. Morning. Let's go for a little walk around, see what else there is. You got yourself your outside kitchen area, loads of canopy space so you can sit outside if it's raining, loads of shade, dining area. Yeah, that looks lovely. These look like your family size ones, and these look like your smaller couples and solo travellers. Okay, that's just a very quick overview of the Eco Villas. Just gives you an idea, just showing you it's a beachfront place, different types of accommodation. Got a couple of pools going on, and it's just located to the north of the island. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.